Hello highlighters, it's Leo here. Welcome back for another highlight. It's the first day of May 2023 and today is the release of the new sets of the Jolly Kiddie Meal toys. And it is no other than the DC Super Friends. They are transforming superhero emblem or yung logo nila into robots. So tara, ipapakita ko na sa inyo. Kaya yun, samahan nyo kami and we're on our way to Jollibee. Let's go! And ito na siya. Let's unbox this one.
A few moments later.
Oh, here we go. Yan, nakauwi na. Yan, so let's unbox this one na and show you the complete set of the DC Super Friends. So yan, there are a total of 5 toys to collect this time from May 1 to June 30, 2023 or while stocks last. Yan. So malay nyo, parang Jollibots kasi to. Kaya malay nyo, 1 week lang ubos na. So let's start with Aquaman. Yan. So here's the closer look of the packaging. Yan. So open cover and flip down to show Aquaman inside. Pull down arms, then pull down hands from each side. Then pull down lower part and tilt side to stand. So yan. Okay. Let's open na. So by the way, yan. No sticker siya for Aquaman. And ayun, ito yung emblem ni Aquaman actually. Or the logo, superhero logo. So yan, here's a closer look of the toy. Wait, baliktad yan. Ganyan pala siya. Yan, di ba? Yan. So, written here, Aquaman. So, exclusively for Jollibee Foods Corporation. Yan. So, first, yan. So, ingat kasi baka mabali. Yan. Nilalamon tayo. Yan. So, here you go. Here's Aquaman. Ang cute. Chibi Aquaman, di ba? Batang-bata yan. So, nagpa-pop up sila. Yan. So, nice. Ang cute. So, ito siya. Then, after that, the number 2, pull out the arms. Yan. So, na-pull out na natin. After pulling out, then, itong sa baba, yan. So, pull out lang rin. Yan. Again, dahan-dahan since baka masira. So, pwede natin i-twist. It depends on you. Then, on his legs. For his legs, by the way. Sorry. Ito siya. Hilahin lang ulit. Yan. Okay. So, that's it. Simple as that. Yan. So, here's the Transform Aquaman robot. Yan. From Aquaman emblem, now, he's a robot. Diba? Ganda. So, here you go. Aquaman. Boom! Yan. So, next would be Flash. Yan. So, again, here's a closer look of the packaging. Here's the emblem of Flash. Yan. So, place sticker on the emblem. Then, flip top cover to show the Flash inside. Then, pull out the arms on each side. Then, slide out the hands. So, yan. So, here's the instruction. Then, last would be pull out the legs on each side, then slide down the feet. Yan. Okay. So, let's unbox this one. And here we go. By the way, Flash. Yan. Yan. Medyo hindi maganda yung pagka sealed kaya tabingi. Anyway, yan. Here's the Flash emblem. And it comes with the sticker. Yan. So, let's stick lang muna this sticker. And let's proceed assembling it to a robot. So, wait. Let's just stick the sticker. Okay. So, here we go. Then, yan. So, let's follow the instruction now. Flip the cover to show the flash inside. So, saan ba dito? Ito. Wait. Di yan yung ulo. Di rin yan. Ayun. Here you go. Here's flash. Wait, may dumi yung ulo niya. Anyway, yan. Ang cute, no? And by the way, on the side, yan, the flash. Okay? Then after that, we need to pull out the arms. Yan. 1, 2. Then, twist this one to show his hands. Yan. Then, lastly, yung legs naman niya. Yan. Then, I think nahila to. Yun, nahihila nga. Yan. Then, hila ulit. Okay. So, here we go. Ang cute. Wait. Yan. So, here we go. Here's flash. Nice, no? Nakakatawa. Once again, here's the flash. Let's begin with the Trinity. Here's Batman. Yan, here's a closer look of the packaging. Here's the Batman logo or the emblem. Yan. So, yun. So, for in the instruction, later na lang ulit. Open na muna natin para hindi pa ulit-ulit. Again, it comes with a sticker. And here's the closer look of the toy Batman. Nakalabas na agad siya. Tago muna natin. Lumalabas talaga, wait.
Years later.
Anyway, okay, let's stick muna the stickers. And here we go. Yan. All stickers have been stick yan or place on the toy. Yan. So, here's the closer look of the emblem. Then, let's transform this one into a robot. So, yan. Kanina pang gusto lumabas si Batman. Here's closer look. Cute, no? Yan. Okay. Then, his arms. Yan. So, nakalabas na agad siya. Then, this one. Then, last would be the legs. Yan. Yun. So, nice. Wait, tama ba? Yun. Tinitwist nga siya. So, here's the transform robot. Okay. So, here we go. The Batman. By the way, here's his name. Okay. Once again, the Batman. Oops. Sorry. There we go. Next up would be the Wonder Woman. Yan. So again, same. Diba nagpa-pop up yung head, I mean yung character, then yung arms, then yung feet or legs. Yan na. So let's open this one. Ang nice, no? Yan. Diba like, nasabi ko nga sa inyo earlier, it's like the Jollybots or yung pinaka-fastest selling toy ng Jollibee ever. Yun. In just a week or less than a week, ubos agad yun. Grabe yun. Kaya di ba nakapag-release sila ng second batch. Yan. So let's see if magagaya to nung ganun kabenta na toy. Di ba? So yan. Kalabasan naman agad si Wonder Woman. Yan. So let's just stick or place the sticker. Wait. Yun. So here we go, the emblem of Wonder Woman. Yan. Okay. So nice. Actually, malaki naman yung mga toy ngayon. And maganda yan. So nagpapagad siya. Wonder Woman. Yan. So here's a closer look of the chibi Wonder Woman. So cute, no? Yan. So first thing, we need to pull this one. Wait. Para sure. Pull down the lower part and fold down the arms. Yan, tama nga, hinihila nga siya. Yun. Yun. Takot na takot kasi mamaya mag-crack. Di ba? Mahirap na. Then, yan. Pull down the arms or her hands. Yan. Yan, nakababa na. Then, lastly, twist her legs. Yun. Nice. Yun. Cute. Yan. Ayan. Here's a closer look. Nice, no? So nice for display. And mas nice siya for sure if dalawa. Diba? Yung isang robot and isa yung emblem niya na magkatabi. So, mas maganda kung dalawa bilhin nyo per toy. So, here you go. Once again, Wonder Woman. And last but not the least, here's Superman. Okay, so here's the close-up look of the packaging. Again, same. Yan. Okay, so let's open this one. Yan. So it comes again with a sticker. Again, nakalabas na naman agad si Superman. Tago ulit natin muna. Yan. So here's the name Superman on the side. Yan. So here's the emblem without the sticker. So let's stick this one. Uy, dalawa. Wait, let's set this aside one. Di ba, may extra agad ako. Pag nasira yung isa, may isa agad. Yan. Kamali lang yan. Anyway, let's stick this one. And last sticker. Here we go. Yan. So here's the emblem of Superman. So let's transform this one into a robot. Yan. So here's a closer look of Superman. Then next, yung arms niya. Pagka-pull, then pull out his arms. Yan, pwedeng i-twist. It's up to yan. So, pwede nga. Then again, sa ilalim. Yan. Diba? Then, his legs. Wait, paano siya? Yan. So, pull muna. Hila. Hila. Then, yun. Pagkahila. Yun. Twist, then rotate. Okay. Tama ba? So, okay. Yan. So, pwedeng naka-side lang siyang ganyan. It's up to you. Nakaka-stand naman siya. Or, yan. I think okay nang ganito. Baka mabali pa. Yan. Diba? So, here's a closer look. Yan. So nice, no? Yan. And here's Superman. Once again, here's the recap of the Jolly Kitty Meals DC Super Friends toys. Here's Superman, Wonder Woman, The Flash, Batman, and of course, the Aquaman. Hey. Here's the complete set. Yan. So, 'di ba? So, nostalgic rin talaga. Para talaga siyang Jolly Bots, 'di ba? So nice. Actually, mas cute nga 'to kasi 'di ba, chibi sila. 'Yon. And another one is that instead na food yung yung from food na nagiging robot, ito naman emblem ng superhero na nagiging robot. So yan. Syempre, yung tanong ko sa inyo for the last bid, who is your favorite among all 5? Yan. For me, it's no other than si Aquaman. Yan. Kasi yun, ang neat looking niya and ang simple lang, 'di ba? Yun. And by the way, I have collections of Aquaman rin kasi yun, kaya medyo bias tayo. Pero yun, syempre for sure kayo, ang favorite nyo nasa Trinity, 'di ba? Pero yun, kanya-kanya naman tayo. And that's it. Once again, here's the complete set of the DC superheroes. So hurry up, grab one now and go to your nearest Jollibee stores bago pa magkaubusan, di ba? So that's it, highlighters. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye! Bye!